We are already getting up one of the biggest phone launch of 2024, the Galaxy S24 series. And we won't have to wait long for the new phone as Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event is going to be officially slotted for Wednesday, January 17th. And just as with the previous Galaxy Unpacked event, you will be able to watch the event unfold in real time. Samsung has officially announced the Galaxy Unpacked 2024 labeled, opening a new era of mobile AI. The last few weeks has been stuffed with leaks about the S24 series and when Samsung may announce them. And it looked like we finally have an answer about the S24 series launch date, but this time an official one. Samsung official newsroom has published an article with an invitation titled Galaxy Unpacked 2024 opening a new era of mobile AI, in which the company revealed the event will be held on January 17. In a teaser video, Samsung proclaimed Galaxy AI is coming, which lined up with the previous teaser and rumors that point to be wary of AI features coming to the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event is going to be an interesting one given all the leaks we have been hearing around the Galaxy S24 lineup. These phones will undoubtedly set the tone for all the other releases. And considering how last year Galaxy S23 Ultra set the bar high right from the get-go, we imagine it won't be any different for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. We very well expect the Galaxy S24 Ultra to be one of the best phones released this year. However, its ranking in our best camera phone list could be jeopardized based on one critical aspect concerning its rumored camera setup. While the leaks give us a good idea of what to expect, the biggest unknown at this point is whether or not Samsung will keep the same 10x optical telephoto lens as before or downgrade it to 5x1, which could be boosted to match or even surpass the same optical quality with the help of artificial intelligence. Speaking of AI, there is no doubt that AI-assisted features will be a key selling point for the Galaxy S24 series. The company previously revealed big plans for the Galaxy AI in 2024, which could deliver Samsung's own dose of a sorcery that we have already seen on the Pixel 8 Pro. From a reported Samsung AI image generator to AI photos and video editing features, we are eager to see what Samsung comes up with artificial intelligence. We just hope that these features won't be locked away behind a paywall of some kind. As far as the S24 and S24 Plus, they are tipped to feature aluminum frame and upgraded Super AMOLED display with a peak brightness of up to 2600 nits. They will have similar triple cameras, but the S24 Plus should benefit from a larger battery. All three phones should be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip in the US, Canada, and Korea, with perhaps both the S24 and S24 Plus internationally will be coming with Exynos 2400 chip. Even though we are still a couple of weeks away from Galaxy Unpacked 2024, Samsung is sweetening things by offering an early pre-order deals for its upcoming devices. If you are eager to buy these phones, you can get a $50 credit by placing a reservation on Samsung website or through the Shop Samsung app between now and January 16. That extra saving should be helpful because it's unknown if we will see a price hike for the Galaxy S24 series. Considering how rival phones like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Pixel 8 Pro saw an increase, it shouldn't come as a surprise if Samsung followed this suit. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra brings a fresh design with more strength and more brighter display on top of the upgrade hardware and lots of new AI features. The inclusion of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and all the models of the Ultra feels like a good move from Samsung, and with upgrades across the whole lineup, it should see plenty of success. Now, because of the similarities to the predecessor though, it's probably not going to make anyone with S23 Ultra rush for an upgrade. But for anyone with an older S phone or looking to get their first S phone, then it's going to be a great choice. Now, of course, being so close to launch, more and more details are going to be continue to come in, and I'm going to be sharing them as soon as they do. So make sure you subscribe and you don't miss a thing in the future. So what are your expectations from the upcoming S24 lineup? Share it down below in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.